Good skin, good confidence. Absolutely. Good skin can have a positive impact on your confidence. When you have healthy and clear skin, you tend to feel more comfortable and self-assured in your appearance. Here are a few reasons why good skin can boost your confidence. Enhanced appearance. Clear and radiant skin contributes to an overall improved appearance. It can make you feel more attractive and put together, which can significantly boost your self-esteem. Reduced self-consciousness. Skin conditions such as acne, eczema, or rosacea can make people feel self-conscious. When you have good skin, you're less likely to worry about blemishes or redness, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life with greater confidence. Positive perception. Society often associates good skin with health and vitality. When your skin looks healthy, others may perceive you as more vibrant and youthful. This positive perception can positively impact your self-image and how you present yourself to the world. Comfort and minimal makeup. Good skin allows you to feel comfortable with minimal makeup or even going makeup-free. This freedom from relying on makeup to hide skin imperfections can make you feel more confident and authentic. To maintain good skin, it's important to follow a skincare routine suitable for your skin type, which typically includes cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. Additionally, a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration, can also contribute to overall skin health. Remember, while good skin can boost confidence, it's important to recognize that confidence goes beyond physical appearance. True confidence comes from self-acceptance, embracing your unique qualities, and cultivating a positive mindset.